How to change the default save location in CapCut. This tutorial will show you the quickest way to do it. First, open CapCut on your computer. Once it opens, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings, then go to the Draft or Storage section, depending on your version of CapCut. Here, you'll find the current location where your projects or exported files are saved. Click the Change button next to the save location. Now, browse to the folder or drive where you want CapCut to save your files by default, select the folder, and click OK or Select Folder to confirm. Your new save location will be applied immediately, and future projects or exported videos will be stored in the folder you selected. If you don't see this option, you're likely using a different version of CapCut where the save location can only be chosen during export. In that case, simply select your preferred folder each time you export a video. That's all you need to do to change the default save location in CapCut. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more CapCut tutorials and editing tips.